Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Microsoft 365, full tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Microsoft 365, start by visiting the official Microsoft 365 website. Click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your Microsoft account email address and click Next. Type in your password and press Sign In. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one by selecting Create One on the sign-in page. Once logged in, navigate to the Services and Subscriptions section. Here, you will find your Microsoft 365 subscription if you have purchased one. Click on the Install button to begin downloading the Microsoft 365 installer. Once the download is complete, open the installer file from your Downloads folder. Follow the on-screen prompts to begin the installation process. Choose the installation type that suits your needs, either the default or a custom installation. After installation is complete, open any Microsoft 365 application, such as Word or Excel. You will see an activation prompt upon opening the application. Select Activate to proceed with the activation process. Enter your product key if prompted, which you can find in your Microsoft account or in your purchase confirmation email. Follow any additional instructions provided during the activation process. Once activation is complete, you can start using Microsoft 365. Remember to keep your Microsoft account credentials secure for future sign-ins. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.